Hi, I am Arica Quinn, the CEO of Queen to Queen, helping the sexual abuse survivor to turn their inner pain into outward positivity by learning the key steps to transform their trauma into power so that they can have a better relationship first with themselves and then with others. I am here to tell you and encourage you to be a part of the New Year, New You 2021 conference. I promise you, it will be the most amazing experience you have ever had. See, at the end of 2019, I didn't know what I was going to do, how I was going to make it, what my next move was. And all of a sudden, in my Facebook feed, popped up the New Year, New You conference. I didn't have anything to do, so I said, why not? It was the best, greatest experience I could have had starting 2020, not knowing that we were going to be in the place we are today, not knowing that we were going to be dealing with the pandemic and so many other things going on. And it was because of that conference, led by the amazing Taria Vision Avant, that I found my purpose, I found my calling, and I found what it was that I was supposed to do. And so after that conference, I first completed 2 books and then launched Queen to Queen. I'm telling you, it is chock full of some of the most amazing speakers and workshops and information from, I can't even begin to tell you, from learning how to be a closet organizer to driving a fleet of owning your own trucking company. But I'm telling you, if you want to get 2021 off to an amazing start after what we've dealt with in 2020, you need to be a part of the New Year, New You conference. Again, I am Arica Quinn, CEO of Queen to Queen, and I hope to see you there.